Tata. Hello guys, now we are unboxing Apple Watch Series 3 42mm. It's a space gray color. So this is the box so came from. So it's written as designed by Apple in California. So we are opening up it. So we have these as expected the stickers of Apple and the extra case, I think extra wires for Apple. So here we go, we have the Apple Watch here, so brand new Apple 3 series. So it comes with like some plastic strippers. So before we go into the watch, just explore what we have in the box. So we have, I think, the dash charger. So seems like it's like 5 watt the basic dash charger, and the lightning cable. So let's move into the watch now. So this is how it looks like. It's a space gray color, and it's like premium look, and we have this adjustable wire here. So this is how it looks like, the design. So it's purely, it looks good.